to be as a user? Thank you.
My name is Simarjit, and my role is going to be a user.
Hi,
Myself,
my name is Gerald. So I'm gonna be a user in this project. Or yeah, that's it.
myself, Deep Sharma. I will be acting as a user and as well as a developer, and that will be the part of my thing in this particular project. Thank you.
Hi, this is Piyush. I would contribute like a user as well as a developer in this project as a part of Team 3. Thank you.
Hi, I am Trupti. I would like to act as a developer as well as document writer. Thank you.
Okay, good. So in my case, as part of the brainstorming of user roles, I would like to ask to include the principal of the school.
Okay. And after that, there should be a staff or like normal teachers who is going to send the homeworks and all those things.
Okay.
I also want a student as a part of the user so that they could also get the updates.
Okay.
And I would like to include the administrator who has admin rights and controls on the apps like editing, adding of schools, and different activities.
Okay.
I would like to add assistant principal.
Mm-hmm. Or we can say any technical persons who is going to manage the super admin, like we have technical support team, so they will be able to add more schools or more information about the students or maybe the curriculum activities, something like that.
And one more, same like parent, we can also have guardians for different students.
Okay.
I think we can have an infrastructure team like from the schools who can configure the entire system for a school, like Simmer said, like the curriculum and everything.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. In my case, I would like to talk about the trustee. Okay, trustee.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
The trustee is a person who is representing the interests of the parents and the community in general
Mm-hmm.
in front of the Toronto District School Board. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
And the other one that I wanted to introduce there is the TD school. The TD, just the TD. Because, 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 okay. Who wants to introduce another one?
Okay, so right now we are talking about the roles, right? And the we can say in the earner app.
Yes.
Okay, so I want to discuss the like needs that a parent want to have in the app.
So for now, can you say again? I go a problem here. Can you repeat?
Basically, I want to play the role of parent, I will say, because in that way I can tell what should be in the app that I want to see as a parent for a kid.
So we are going to. I have a question before that.
Okay.
Anyone wants to add another user and another user role? We
No.
are done. We are done with that part.
Yes.
Okay.
And just one more, maintenance for maintaining a particular app.
Okay, maintenance. Okay, okay. So Yeah, okay, maintenance.
Mhm.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so now we need to organize of the initial set of use roles. So we have now the list of the roles that we need. So in this moment is if we can see all of the roles that we have told, we can, if you can share the screen, we can see and we can start to organize them.
Okay.
Okay.
Sorry.
I think I shared my screen.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yes.
So I'm writing down the list for user roles as a part of our brainstorming session. First we have staff, then principal, assistant, student, administrator, parent, guardian, maintenance,
Mhm.
and the last one would be trustee. So this is, I think, the final outcome of our brainstorming session for user role. We have, I think, quite a number of users which will use our system. So next part would be
Organization of initial set of use roles.
so here we start organization of initial user roles.
So here we need to categorize them, right?
Can you repeat?
So here we need to categorize them. Like one should be on the school side, that like principal, staff, or any trustee or any assistant, right? And other one should be on parent side.
We can create, for example, we can consolidate the principal, the assistant, the administrator, and the maintenance as part of the staff, for example.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not totally sure about the maintenance, but for now, let's do that.
So just a classification, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it can be a school, okay, school staff, okay.
And super admin will be on school side?
Who?
Super admin or the administrator?
Yeah, I think
It's a
so.
third type of
Yeah,
user we can.
I think so. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Yeah, the student and the parent for me are users.
Yep.
So we can create maybe a column in front of a staff and call that column users.
Okay.
Mm.
And then for staff principal assistant, then we should add it into school members or something like that.
School staff, I thought,
Yeah, school staff.
or school members. Yeah, school members, and the other one are users.
Yes, yes. And the administrator will be in third column.
So
Yeah.
can we put like administrator and that maintenance in one particular column only?
Yes, 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 definitely.
Like technical support.
Technical
Yes,
support, like every tester and maintenance and the administrator will be in one page only.
Yeah. And what should be the appropriate column name?
Technical support, maybe.
Okay.
But no, because the name is inside. So
Yeah, that's why I asked.
Operations.
Yeah, operational support.
How about administration?
We have that role as administrator,
Okay, okay, okay.
and like we
So we
cannot.
can use like different name for that one. So
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
but I have a question about the administrator. The administrator is who? The one
super
who is,
admin.
yeah, but in that case, is the super admin of the app.
Yeah, I think so.
But for me, the guy is the teacher.
No, no, no. It won't be a teacher.
Super admin, we can say like who is going to see the like the list of teachers, or who can add number of schools in the platform, something like that.
Yeah.
Okay, so the operation staff administrator is something, I don't know. Let's say that the app is like the principal, but if we are talking only one school, but if we are not talking about one school, if we are talking two or more
Yes.
schools, who is going to be then? Okay, let's leave that one here. Leave that one there. I don't see that one clear, but later we can discuss that.
Okay.
Sure.
368. We were having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Maintenance.
6, 8. Maintenance, yes. Maintenance is lost.
Technical support.
After technical support, right?
Maintenance is not the perfect word. We can use a
Maintenance
different word for the operational stuff for maintenance, like the person who is maintaining the particular app. So we could just write like we cannot even use a tester to that particular thing.
Mhm. It should be covered under technical support, no?
Yeah, I think
It should
Yeah,
should be a part of technical
Technical.
support. So whenever we or any user have any issue with the app, so it's the best idea to contact technical support and
technical support.
reach
Yeah.
out to their teams, right?
So the maintenance part would be included in technical support only.
Yeah, I think
Yes.
Yeah,
administrative support would
Yeah.
be enough under operation staff.
Okay.
yeah.
Can we go back to the slide before just to check that we have everyone set up in the next one?
Sure. Go to the
Previous.
previous slide. Oh, there was one more trustee, I think. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
See.
Okay. Guardian, maintenance, trustee, principal assistant. Okay, so the one that is missing is the trustee.
Yeah.
Trustee, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Trustee can be also added under or school
shop.
member, right?
Yes.
Can you explain who is a trustee? Is it like a school management?
Mm,
I think who actually funds the school for their operations.
Oh, so it's like a school like head, right? Kind of stuff.
Yeah, kind of financial support to the operations of school.
yeah, it's
okay.
it's a volunteer. It's a volunteer.
Yeah.
They don't get paid, but for example, they approve the budget.
Oh, okay, got it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the one who approves the budget.
As a stakeholder.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. We can say.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think we have covered all our user role under which were discovered under brainstorming into our organization of user role with different categories. So now we have three main categories as school member, user, and operations staff.
Where is teacher?
So the next where is teacher?
We can change staff to teachers.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe we can change staff to
Teachers.
teacher, right? That would be the appropriate word to this. Or staff can be added as a different entity altogether, right? Other than
Si quitamos if we take out the staff, we need to put vice principal.
We already have it.
we have principal.
We have principal.
But the role is different in the school. The principal is the top and the vice principal is under. Some of the responsibility related with the assignation of the courses in the school depends of the vice principal. But the enrollment of the teachers, it's a thing from the principal. You see, there are things that are different. So we don't know yet what will be the impact. So maybe we can keep the vice principal too.
We added assistant principal.
Yeah, we added assistant principal, right? That is
It's only different. Yeah. It's there. Perfect. Thank you.
so.
And like one more thing. Can we like add only stakeholders only?
As a different category?
No, because they will be a part, but they won't be using it, right? They will be investing it. So as you said, Louis, trustee. So can we just like categorize to stakeholders only?
We can do that in the next step. The next step is organizing the initial set.
Sure.
So if we can move to the next slide, that one is going to be organizing the initial set. So in that one, we can do that.
Sorry.
So this is about consolidation of user roles.
Organizing.
No.
But this one
We
is
already covered the organizing part in previous, no?
Yeah, the previous was organizing.
Oh, sorry. So this one is going to be consolidating. Sorry.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, thank you. I got confused here. Can I ask you something?
Yes, sure.
So, okay. Because there is one thing that we have to be careful when we are going to do the consolidation, and is that we have to have less number that we have in the one before.
Yes.
So, because I say that maybe the stakeholders, if we put the stakeholders in the consolidation, we get another column. So we will have an error there. So it's better to leave the stakeholders here in organization. So if we can add another column.
Here under organization?
Yeah.
Okay.
And that one is going to be, you say, a stakeholder?
Stakeholder, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So I add trustee and whatever under stake. What else we need to add in the stakeholder?
I think only the trustee.
Okay, and are we going to add any other staff as like a general staff under school member?
Can you repeat the question? Sorry.
Like a general staff member under school member?
In that case, you can add staff at the bottom of the school members, add staff.
Okay.
So that would act as a general staff, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So just to check again, sorry, it was part of my mistake, but who do you think that we are done here? We don't need another column, or we are missing something?
I think we are done.
Done, right.
Okay, so let's move to the next one.
Okay, write it.
Okay, I am adding one more school member.
No, we have already teacher.
Okay,
so maybe
so
you just
okay.
rename it to class teacher if you want.
Or it's fine.
Our
like
teacher is also fine. Yeah.
So now we are moving on to consolidation of user roles as we are done with organization. So let's get started. So first, we are keeping the user as our one of the main category, which will be having like prominent users who will be actually using the app rigorously, like teacher, then student, and the last one will be parent, right?
Can we call that parent/guardian?
Yes, can you repeat?
Can we add in front of parent/guardian?
Guardian?
Yeah, slash guardian.
And
Parent
guardian?
or guardian, yeah, like that. Parent/guardian.
Guardian. Sure.
Yeah, slash guardians.
Perfect.
Now, school member, right?
But one question about, okay, go ahead. No, go ahead.
So school member will be having so teacher. So we can actually remove teacher from user, right? Because
But in that case, I think we can leave teacher as a user.
okay.
But we don't need teacher again as a school member.
Sure.
Is the thing that made me a little confused. I don't know what you think, guys, but if I have users, the school staff, I think the school staff will be covered by the teacher unless we will need to give user to the principal, for example, is the thing that I don't know yet. You see what I mean? Or no, maybe I'm not clear. So moving forward, put there the principal.
Okay. And I think we can leave out vice principal or assistant principal because it comes under the same, I think, kind of people.
Okay.
And put principal and assistant principal as a school leader.
Like a different category?
Member, we can categorize another thing as
Like,
a school leader.
Oh, we can actually have school leader, which can comprise of principal or vice principal
and trustee
or
as well.
trustee as well, right?
That would be great.
So instead of having 3 users, we actually consolidated into like one user,
One
that
user.
is a school leader, right?
Okay.
So here we go with this school leader. So I think it covers all the user roles under school member, because any general staff can, we can add a staff member additional to school leader.
Yeah, because they would be acting general part.
Yes.
Yeah, maybe a class lead or kind of stuff.
Yes.
Okay.
So I think that's all for the second category of user role, right? School member.
School members, I think so. Yeah, it should be enough.
And then we comes under operational staff, right?
Yes.
Admin?
Yeah.
And technical stuff. Technical stuff, right?
Yeah, tech support or tech staff.
Yeah, tech stuff.
Any other addition?
The trustee, we say that the trustee will be part of the school member.
Yeah, school member, as like it comes under school leader. Like,
but you see,
principal, trustee.
Because the school leader cannot be the trustee.
Yes.
There are 2 positions there, or the school leader has to be someone from the administrative staff of the school, can be the principal or the vice principal, or if the school only has one teacher enrolled there and the principal point him as a leader, can be that teacher. But the trustee is a guy outside of the school. The trustee is by area. The trustee can be connect with different schools.
Yeah, because the trustee won't be operating anything rather than the school leaders like principals and the vice principal or anything. They would be operating, but the trustee would be just part of giving it would be he would be acting as a stakeholder only. Like he would just have a look at the applications and everything. So he won't be operating through the application.
So
He would just rather have a
right. You're right. Okay. So consolidation of the youth roles, we are going to keep three main groups: youth role, school member, and operational staff.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yep.
The next one is refining. Can you add at the bottom refining the roles?
Fifth slide.
The last one.
But are we having any other category for or other criteria for refining the roles? I think consolidation is the
Last one.
last one. Yeah. Then we need to, I think, discuss about each user role, which comes as a part of our consolidated view, right?
No, the refining the roles is the next one.
Okay.
Okay, Liz, can you share your screen because the document that we have, we cannot see the refining process.
Oh, I'm talking the one user role model in the PowerPoint that the teacher has.
Oh, okay.
Okay. I have it open. We can see there. Yeah. So
I'm talking about the slide number 5.
yeah, we have refining the roles.
Okay.
Okay.
So call that refining the roles by refining the roles by frequency, level of expertise. No, refining the roles like that, and at the bottom put user. Okay, no, come back, sorry. Refining the roles, semicolon, users.
Defining the role, semicolon, user.
Yes.
Okay.
You.
Right.
Yes. And there we need the first one is, I forgot what is one. The first one is teacher, I think.
Yeah.
Okay. Teacher.
The first one is teacher. Yeah. So we have teacher here. Yeah, so we have teacher here, so we can actually discuss these 4 or 5 points, and yeah, quickly, like frequency. Yeah, we can go through these points. These are not that difficult. Like it's just a brief, like frequency will be the teacher will be the one who will be using more frequently.
Student and parent.
Parents will be only when there is any need to see the homework trackage and all, and then use it.
So
yeah, we can start the recording, and yeah, just I'll keep on shifting the slides, and
You don't have to, we can see it.
yeah, everyone can see it on their PC, right? So
but I go some text, someone is missing, or I don't know. You can check the WhatsApp, something is happening, but we cannot have that in this video. So the frequency for the teacher is going to be the frequency with which the user will use the software. The teacher will use the software daily.
Yeah, they will.
Yes.
yeah. So the frequency for teacher,
Regular use. Yes.
regular or more frequently.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah. And the user level of expertise within her domain. I think this expertise. So he has to be an expert in updating the homework and in follow up with the students and the teacher and the parents. So he has to be expert, but I don't know if there is possible to fit another name there.
So level of expertise.
Level of expertise like beginner, intermediate, or expert. We can just categorize like that.
For me, the teacher has to be the expert.
Yeah, for me too.
Okay.
Yes.
So the third one will be general level of proficiency with computer
and software. Intermediate is fine.
Yeah.
Because the application would be, user friendly. It will like giving ease of access to anyone. So
yeah.
So intermediate, right?
Yeah. The user level of proficiency with software being developed. High.
Yeah, because he has to cope up, he or she has to cope up like what the developer side or this side is trying to convince. And so, yeah,
Hi.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
The general goal for this one, I don't know if we can put this in this way, like for his target is to get 100% of the students with homework at class time. So
Mm-hmm.
Mm,
So that teachers and parents will be on the same page, kind of.
yeah.
General usage means
So
what should we write there?
in the manual the teacher wrote something like some users are after convenience, others
Mm-hmm.
favor or rich experience.
Mm-hmm. It should be more of convenience.
Yeah, totally. Yeah.
Yeah, it should be more of convenience. Yeah.
Yeah.
And just write convenience.
Because for the teacher it's convenient that all the students can with the
Yeah.
homework. Yeah.
Hmm.
So convenience, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Is with, yeah, cool. So now we can add the other one that is the, which one is the next one? I think is the,
Parent.
Our student.
yeah, it's a student. I don't see. It's a student.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Frequency would be same.
So maybe
Yeah.
you can copy. Yeah, cool. Oh,
Okay.
oh.
Mm, 1 second. It's not appearing on here.
Mm. You have to start over again.
We can.
That's okay.
That's okay, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Frequency.
It would be like
Uh,
regular only, right? Because he would be like he or she would be getting the homework and everything. So up every day he or she has to get update with that thing.
yeah.
Like
No, not an expert. Nothing. Yeah, it's like a basic.
Basic. Yeah.
Mhm. Software intermediate basic,
Yeah,
yeah,
basic. Yeah.
basic.
And the last one I think is that one is still convenience because the students will be happy that the parents will be involved. So for them it's convenient that the teacher have the app and tell the parents that he needs help. So it's cool. I think it's convenience too, guys.
Yeah.
Okay. I, I thought I was alone. So
No, we are all alive.
okay, okay. So I think we can pass to the other one, which I don't
Yes.
remember. I think is I don't know which one because I see there are four, no, three. The last parent guardian, but we already no parent guardian. Yeah, the other one is parent guardian.
So let's start discussing the other users.
I think that slide goes to the bottom, totally the bottom. Is the last one. Or no? I don't know. Sorry,
We have
forget.
other
Yes,
for
it would
refining
be.
the role.
Yes, it's just refining the roles.
Okay. So the next one is the parent guardian.
Yeah, I have guardian, right?
Yeah.
Parent.
Tips lock.
It's okay. It's okay. Yes.
I think it's regular.
Regular.
It's regular, yeah.
Regular, okay. Frequency should be regular. Level of expertise.
Basic.
Basic, yeah.
Intermediate is also good, right?
Basic or intermediate.
Yeah,
kind of.
maybe because if the parent has a question, he has to come back to the teacher. Yeah, intermediate
Yes.
is good. Yeah.
Proficiency should be intermediate to basic. Intermediate.
Basic or intermediate.
Okay, then proficiency with software.
Same.
Basic or not applicable, right? Because of
No,
it should be.
actually, it needs to be basic or to intermediate, because if doesn't have, it won't use.
The application, right?
okay. Then
What are you
goes
doing, guys?
the
Something
same,
is
right?
wrong with the audio again.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Sorry. And general role, convenience. This is the parent guardian. Convenience too, yes, yes. So I think we move to the next
Staff
column.
member.
To the next column.
Yeah.
Lead, school lead, yeah, school leader.
But exactly, yeah.
School. So that would be school leader.
Yes, please.
Yeah. So the frequency would be.
It should be the same as teachers. Huh?
Yeah. So
Yeah, it should be
like
the same as teachers.
more frequently or regular.
Yeah. Frequently and as the same as the teacher. Sorry.
No, I
Yeah.
don't think so. They are using frequently because school leader only enrolling that school in this app. So I don't think so. They daily monitor that application.
You are right. Yeah.
The role
Yeah.
is to enroll school in that app. So irregular, I think, or maybe monthly or casually.
The basic thing when principal or the school leader will come into action is when there would be a big gap between parents and the teacher. So at that time they would be like coming in between.
So I say less often, right?
Yeah.
Often is okay, less often. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So then level of expertise.
Basic to intermediate.
He should be having the expertise over here. He should be having an expertise.
Because I think these are the people who actually are the deciding powers of having this app in the school or not, right? So they might go through that whole process of knowing about the system and application.
Yeah.
So then next would be proficiency with the software and computers.
Same, it should be.
Basic to intermediate, right?
No, it should be intermediate.
Okay.
It should be higher.
Yeah.
Basic to intermediate is okay, no problem. Yeah.
Intermediate. And proficiency with software development. High? Or
Yeah.
intermediate?
Intermediate.
Yeah.
Okay, intermediate. Yeah, okay.
Because they will be getting high level info
Mhm.
for the software, right? And the general role of users would be same, right?
It would be same convenience.
So let's move on to
Operational stuff.
operational stuff quickly.
This is not me.
Okay, then we have administrator, right? Here?
Administrator.
Yeah, so frequently,
Often.
Often, it would be often, right?
Yeah.
level
High.
of expertise would be high.
High.
Should be
High.
high too. This should be high too, right?
Mhm.
Yes.
And proficiency, general role of user should be convenience or user friendly.
User friendly.
Developer trying to make a system more user friendly.
Yeah, so
It should be both user friendly and rich experience.
yeah. So now we can actually discuss the other
Technical
technical support.
Good to start with technical support, and the frequency would be
Often.
or it depends upon the request they are
Varies,
getting,
yeah.
right? So this may vary with request, right?
Mm-hmm. Someone who's exit. Oh.
And level of expertise would be high.
Mhm.
Proficiency with software and computer should be high. The next one with software development should be high too.
Mhm.
General role of usage should be same
Responding
as
to the
administrator.
queries.
Okay, for like technical support, there will be the person who is maintaining the applications as well,
Mhm.
right?
Yes.
So it would also vary with customer request.
Vary with customer requests or modifications.
Because that's the only particular point where it would differentiate the thing.
Mhm.
So general of usage depends on customer request.
But operational staff member, administrator, technical support. Okay. Vary with customer requests. High. Yeah, perfect.
That's perfect, right? And I think that's all about the discussions for the roles. Should we having any other discussion under this video
No, I
recording?
think we are good. We're almost done.